Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 AI tools that I've tried myself. These tools are very powerful and creative. You will see how AI can help you in different ways. So let's not waste any time and jump right into the first tool on the list.
Alright, guys, buckle up for the first AI on our list. SoundDraw.io. This incredible tool lets you generate not just one, not two, but 15 unique pieces of music at a time. You can produce music up to 5 minutes, customize your tunes by choosing genres, tempos, moods, and themes. Now, let's dive in and create some magic.
Now, let's talk about the second AI gem on our list, Leonardo AI. First things first, you've got to sign up using Google, and here's the kicker. I recently tried out the image creation tool, where I simply typed flying horse as a prompt, and the result was absolutely awesome. Let's dive in together and see what creative wonders we can unleash. As of now, let us jump to the third AI. Next up on our AI adventure is ClipDrop AI, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Before you dive in, make sure to sign up using Google. Now, the exciting part, ClipDrop AI. Treasure trove of features for free, including face swap, text to image, and a nifty background remover. I recently put their UpCrop tool to the test, using a picture from Leonardo AI, and the result, simply amazing. Alright, our AI journey continues with InVideo AI. Before we dive into the magic, make sure to sign up using Google. Now, InVideo is your go-to text-to-video AI tool. I gave it a spin by using YouTube as a prompt, creating a snappy 30-second video. The result? Well, you're about to find out. Ready for the big reveal? Let's check it out together.
Imagine a world where you're never more than a click away from a game-winning goal or a record-breaking run. Welcome to YouTube, the universe of video content. It's a global stage where moments of triumph and defeat unfold daily. From the roar of the crowd to the silence of anticipation, it's all here. So, whether it's the thrill of victory or the agony of defeat, YouTube brings the world of sports right to you, anytime, anywhere.
Before we dive into more AI fun, hit that subscribe button like you just found the last slice of pizza. We're building an AI party, and you're invited. Now, back to the show. The fifth AI wonder awaits. Now, let's talk about the fifth AI on our list, Chatgpt. Chatgpt comes in both free and paid versions. With the free one, you can ask anything, and it's like having a chatty AI friend. But, if you want the VIP treatment, the paid version offers even more wizardry like custom GPTs, text-to-image, etc. services. Stay tuned because in the next video, I'll spill the secrets on how to write scripts using ChatGPT. Now, as we bid farewell, remember, saying goodbye is just a see you later in disguise. Catch you on the flip side. Bye.